Okay, here we are. I just found this wolf spider with babies, and it looks really cool when you can see all of the little baby's eyes glowing on her back. And the farther you go back, the more you can see it. I'll zoom in on her in a minute. It's incredible. The mother wolf spider guards her babies for a certain amount of time until they get old enough to take care of themselves. Now you can't so much see the eyes, but let's see if we can see all the little hundreds of babies on her butt. Wow, look at all of those babies. That is just incredible. She's big. She's about an inch and a half total length. I'm gonna zoom back out again. Look at all the eyes glowing. It's like a diamond. Wow, so cool. Just thought that that would be something interesting for everybody to see. Wow. Cool.